Hello, hello. What are today's messages and which card will we get today? Let's see. Zen. Whether our assumptions are true or false does not matter, for the individual shapes his or her reality on which he or she seeks. Throughout your day, question your underlying assumptions. It is the person that makes truth great, not truth that makes the person great. Truth means little without action. How can you act on truth to make it great? All right, which item has our quotes today? Let go of attempts to make everyone happy. Allow others to make their own choices in life. Don't delay your life's purpose by focusing upon other people's issues. Avoid gossiping about or judging others. Once you have opened your eyes and your heart to the real abundance all around, you free yourself from the illusion that you are lacking for anything. Doing the right thing isn't always easy, but the strength you summon now builds upon your core of integrity that will later serve your highest purpose in all that you do. If you never take risks and allow yourself a few dangerous pleasures, you will never discover your own true colors. My major skills are being weird and talking to my plants, and so far, this has not translated to financial success. But maybe soon. You have the power to change your story, no matter what page you're on. The present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you're attentive, you will see it. And the last one today. You've learned to weather the cycles of life. After dark periods, the sun always returns, and your spirit is renewed. If you look, you'll find a reason to celebrate each day with an attitude of joy and excitement. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.